Let's learn how to make the balloon sea turtle. For the sea turtle, you can use 3 260s, 2 lime green, 1 green, and 1 5-inch white round. So go ahead and blow those balloons up. Those 2 lime greens are going to be the same size at about 6 finger lengths extra at the end. And that darker green, which is the green, is going to be about 6 to 7 finger lengths extra. And then the 5-inch white round for the eyeballs. So for the first lime green, we're going to be making a loop twist to start, about 4 to 5 fingers lengths, and then loop that nub right in to lock it in. Then we're going to go out, and this is the length of the body of the sea turtle. It's about that far, and then do a 1-inch pinch twist, the 1-inch bubble there. Twist that in, and that's going to be the tail. Now we're going to bring the rest of it down, and you just want to match it the same exact size as the other bubble we made for the body. And then twist that in right under the neck. And that extra piece there, we don't need anymore, so we're going to take that off. So go ahead and twist and then just pop it off. Make sure you hold on nice and tight with that left hand. And then grip it below before you let go and tie it off. All right, so that is the main body. Bring in that darker green, which is the green, 260. And right at the bottom nub, just bring that all the way around the neck there. Loop it around, and then push it through the head to lock it in. Go ahead and squeeze a little bit. And then you're going to bring that over about the same size as those green, lighter green ones. And then just wrap it around that tail, that pinch twist right there. Should look like that. Now grab that second lime green. Remember, blown up about 5 to 6 fingers lengths. And then this one is going to be the fins of the sea turtle. So make one big loop twist right there, about that size. Bring that around a couple times. And then you're going to pull both ends to find that center. And then bring it together. And then make one twist right there so you have 2 equal loop twists on each side. And that excess piece right there we don't need, so we're going to pop that off. Just twist, grip, and pull. And hold on tight there so you can retie without the air coming out. And those are the fins. We're going to push through. So grab that main body that we just made and push those fins right in between the 2 lime greens and that 1 darker green. And just pull it through. Now you're going to bring that darker green color across 2 more times. So do it once on this side. And I like to make that bubble a little bit bigger than the center darker green. And then just wrap that around the neck there to lock it in. And then bring the excess balloon back over for that 3rd bubble. And I like to match that outside one, so you have 3 there. So twist it and then loop it around that tail that we made earlier. All right, so that's the main body there, and then we're going to pull that excess off. Just grip, twist, and pull. Or twist, grip, and pull, either way. All right, so tie that off. And I like to hide that little excess. Anytime you're tying stuff off and there's extra pieces, just try to hide them underneath any balloons you made. So I'm just doing a little bit of adjusting there. Just pull those fins out to where I want them. Nice and even. And that's the main body. Now we're going to bring in that 5-inch white round, twist it in half and push it right into that loop twist we made for the head. So for this, you want to grab right in the center. With your right hand, twist forward, your left hand, twist back, if that's the way you're twisting. The point is just to twist it right in the middle, and you can squeeze on either side to push air back and forth to make it even. So twist it around a few times, and then I like to bring that nub and twist that around a few times as well to lock it in. Hold that nice and tight, and don't let go of that because it'll come unraveled. The nice thing is when you push that through right there in that loop twist, it'll lock it in place. So push that in. Now you have your eyeballs. All right. Now let's go ahead and just grab our Sharpie and draw in the eyes. Some nice eyebrows there. And a little mouth. And that is the sea turtle. Seriously, guys, good job. You did it. Man, I love making the sea turtle. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do when I'm out there making balloon animals for people. If you want more great content just like this, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because here we're all about providing balloon twisters with the training, support, and accountability that they deserve. So you can subscribe here to get more great content, but you can also go to our website, which is schoolballoons.com, to really level up your game. And it's there that we focus on teaching people how to start and grow a profitable balloon twisting business. So check that out as well. Links for all of that is below in the description. So thank you guys so much for stopping by for that tutorial, and I'll see you for the next one.